Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to change Instagram password without computer or without any third-party application software. So let's start the video without wasting time. This is Imran and you are watching my channel Bukhari Tech. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe first and press bell icon for more updates. So let's start the video. Firstly, open your Instagram. Now tap on your ID. Now you can see here 3 lines. Tap on 3 lines. Now you can see here account center. Now tap on account center. So friends, you can see here account centers have many options: sharing across profile, logging in with accounts, passwords and security. Now tap on password and security. Now you can see here password and security, login and recovery. Manage your passwords, login preference and recovery methods. Now tap on change password simply and now select your ID. Now you can see here change password. Your password must be at least 6 characters and should include a combination of numbers, letters and special characters. Now enter your current password. Suppose that 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and enter new password. Suppose that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now re-enter new password. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now log out of other devices. Choose this if someone else used your account. So simply tap on change password. When you tap on change password, your password automatically changed. So go back. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you know how to change the password of Instagram without computer, without any third-party application software. So if the video is helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.